Cainnt nan Eun.
Cimrtha mishnach gniu. How's your courage today? Smisha Òmar ní Allison Chelis the Hiorish is Baile and Gàidheal. My name is Amber Buchanan with the Highland Village, and today I'd like to make a video for all the little people out there. No, I don't mean the fairies, although it's good to make offerings to them too. I mean you, the children. Ro isachgu, did you know? Gaelic Cainnt nan Eun, that the birds speak Gaelic? Cainnt nan Eun, it's true. I guess now you're wondering what they're saying. Well, hicketh Cluinnear, you come with me and I'll tell you. Try repeating these words after me.
Shoakav Cainnt Speech out speech out speech out. And that means hurry up. Seo Cainnt nan Eun. Ghoirid, ghoirid, ghoirid. Ghoirid, ghoirid, ghoirid. And she's saying, put something, put something, put something. She must be looking for some food. Cainnt nan Eun. Yusk, yusk, yusk. He's asking for fish, fish, fish. Seo Cainnt nan Eun. Cabin and gold, and gold, and gold. He's asking, where's the rest, the rest, the rest? Cainnt nan Eun. Tuckerut, tuckerut, tuckerut the gach me. Hastrat down, hastrat down. Tuckerut, tuckerut, tuckerut the gach me. Hastrat down, hastrat down. She's saying, pick up the thing, pick up the thing, pick up the thing that I left you. There's energy in it. There's energy in it. Of course, she's talking about her egg. Agus a fair fhéarag, Cainnt nan Eun. Han tushka behadur, han tushka behadur. He's saying, the whiskey is expensive. The whiskey is expensive.
Nach mer, ain't you? You did a wonderful job. Keep on practicing, and next time you go outside, see if you can talk to the birds in Gaelic. Thank you for watching. Blessings with you.